HoonTV!
Okay.
Come down to where the recovery unit is. Come down to where the recovery unit is.
Yeah, I want to get there so I don't catch on fire. Yeah.
You can smell oil.
Where's it leaking from?
Oh no, you can smell it burning, but
can't believe it's quiet at the moment. Alright, so it's Monday, it's public holiday. We're at the Bendix Motorsport Park, as you can see. Obviously it is 39 degrees. It is disgustingly hot and hot everywhere, even in the shade. I can't believe I've done a track day and I'm happy with 2 sessions because it is so damn hot. There's a 600 coming past, so we'll let that. Yeah, so yeah, it is so hot, but literally I wanted to shake down both bikes really, because the other bike I haven't ridden that in 4 years, since February 2020 when I broke my shoulder. Bike, I've never ridden that apart from across the car park, so it was actually really nerve-wracking getting on that bike, going, you know, and then the battery went flat before I went out, so I had to jump start it and stuff like that. But other than the chain hadn't stretched yet, so the tyre was just a little close to the swing arm, so it was just a little rub on the swing arm. Someone said, oh, there's a bit of smoke coming off your back wheel, so thankfully I pulled it in. I just called it quits with that. I made it around the track, everything seems to work on it, so I know that for next weekend that bike will be fine. I'm not going to be pushing it too hard. Got on the white bike, and although I was so hot on track, my heart was probably doing 3,000 beats per minute, and yeah, I was pretty comfy again. Like, I mean, I wouldn't say I'd go anywhere near what my pace was 4 years ago, but I got back on that bike, even though the seats changed and everything, but front brake probably needs bleeding, but other than that, I absolutely love that bike. It is so good. It's just such a forgiving, cool bike. I've had it for so long now, and to give it a sexy new paint job and everything like that was really good. Obviously it was awesome to see Steve out here with the rotary, and that is the real deal. I've mentioned this in other videos before. It is on the channel. We will be doing more stuff from Adelaide Motorsport Festival next weekend, but you know, it is awesome. It was so good. We saw it on the dyno earlier this morning, little secret squirrel dyno run, and yeah, it's very, very cool. Sounds good, and it's the real deal. So yeah, but thanks to the Champions Ride Day people and Cameron and all the people from the Bend. It's yeah, if they'd have brought the temperature down, that would have been nice, but I think that's out of the control. But other than that, the track, as per usual, is just perfect. It's probably the grippiest track I've ever been to out here, so kind of kills every other track for you, to be honest. I don't know about the Superbike guys, but yeah, I mean, the facilities we've got here are so good. So yeah, but yeah, keen to get back out here now that I've got the airbag to wear and stuff like that. I think I've got to lose a bit of weight because it was pretty tight in there and my gloves are a bit tight, so other than that I'm just waffling. So thanks for watching, thanks for subscribing to the new channel as well, and yeah, we're getting there, it's growing, so yeah, have fun.